Well, I was born in the US, but I was raised in Ottawa since I was 1. Canadians think I sound like an American, but Americans think I sound like a Canadian. So I don't know really where I belong. They're just trying real hard to get that aboot, but I don't say aboot. Hi, my name is Bergen Wilde, and I'm a product marketer at VanillaSoft. Have I been challenged at VanillaSoft? Every day, all the time, but only in good ways. So there's always a new project coming up. There's some new software or new tool we've adopted that's going to make life easier, but you have to learn how to adopt that and use it. I enjoy the challenges. That's what I'm looking for. Working at VanillaSoft is a lot of fun. There's lots to do. It's a smaller company. It's an aggressive company with an aggressive growth, but it's got a great product. So I'm having a lot of fun coming in here and working with a lot of people. Because it's smaller too, I get to rub shoulders with everybody. So it's really easy to talk to the development team, talk to the customer success team, talk to the support team, and work with them on finding solutions and making the product better. So I really enjoy it. I think anybody who's focused on their career would really want to work at VanillaSoft because it's a growing company. So there's lots of opportunity for you to grow and advance, or to maybe even shift careers a little bit, because there's going to be new openings and new direction. You're going to have lots of opportunity to learn new things and new skills. So I think VanillaSoft's the ideal place for anyone who's starting their career, still in the middle of it, maybe making a change, or towards even the end of their career. There's always people here that are hungry for that experience and knowledge that they can get from more senior people. So it's a great place to work, I think, and it's got a great future. So who doesn't want to be at a place that's got a great future?